Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how a computer decides what to do? Like, how does a game know when you've won? Or how an app reacts when you press a button? Well, today you're going to learn exactly how that works, using something called if statements. Before we jump into coding, let's understand something important. In programming, we have something called selection. Selection simply means making decisions. Let me give you a real-life example. If it is raining, you take an umbrella. If it is sunny, you wear sunglasses. So basically, a condition decides what happens next. Computers use the same idea. Now let's bring this into programming. In Python, we use something called an if statement to make decisions. Here's the basic structure. If condition, do something. Let's look at an example. Temperature equals 35. If temperature greater than 30, print it's hot. So what's happening here? The computer checks, is temperature greater than 30? If yes, it prints, it's hot. If no, it does nothing. Simple, right? Let's look at a few more examples. Example 1. Exam result score equals 80 if score greater than or equal to 50. Print, open parenthesis, quote, you passed, quote, close parenthesis. Example 2. Age check age equals 16. If age greater than or equal to 18, print open parenthesis, quote, you can vote, quote, close parenthesis. So in all these examples, the computer is just checking a condition. Now let's quickly look at some common mistakes beginners make. Forgetting the colon, wrong indentation, writing the wrong condition. Remember, Python is very strict with spacing. And that's it. Now you know how computers make decisions using if statements. In the next video, we'll go even further by learning about else and elif, so your programs can make even smarter decisions. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment what you want to learn next. See you in the next one.